Beauty salons and spas specializing in beauty technology. Beauty salons and spas that specialize in beauty technology offer a wide range of services that can help enhance your appearance. From laser hair removal to microdermabrasion, these salons and spas offer treatments that can help improve the look and feel of your skin. Many of these salons and spas also offer services that can help you relax and rejuvenate. Massage, aromatherapy, and other spa treatments can help you feel more relaxed and refreshed. Additionally, many of these salons and spas offer a variety of beauty products and services. These products and services can help you achieve the look you want. Whether you want to look younger, have smoother skin, or just look and feel better, these salons and spas can help you get there. Beauty technology has advanced in leaps and bounds in recent years, and these salons and spas offer the latest in beauty treatments. From laser treatments to microdermabrasion, these salons and spas offer treatments that can help you look and feel your best. With the help of these salons and spas, you can feel more confident in your appearance and enjoy the benefits of beauty technology. Beauty salons and spas have long been places where people go to pamper themselves and enhance their appearance. In recent years, however, there has been a growing trend towards salons and spas that specialize in beauty technology. These establishments are equipped with the latest in beauty technology, from laser hair removal to microdermabrasion to LED light therapy. One of the most popular beauty technologies available at these salons is laser hair removal. This technology uses a laser to target and destroy the hair follicle, resulting in permanent hair reduction. Laser hair removal is a safe and effective way to eliminate unwanted hair on the face and body, and it can be used on all skin types. Another popular technology used at these salons is microdermabrasion. This technique uses a handheld device to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin. Microdermabrasion can be used to treat a variety of skin concerns, including fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. LED light therapy is also a popular beauty technology used at these salons. This treatment uses light of different wavelengths to penetrate the skin and stimulate cell regeneration. LED light therapy can be used to treat a variety of skin concerns, including acne, wrinkles, and age spots. Other beauty technologies available at these salons include ultrasound facials, which use ultrasound waves to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity, and radiofrequency treatments, which use radio waves to tighten and firm the skin. These technologies offer a non-invasive way to achieve a more youthful and radiant appearance. In addition to these advanced beauty technologies, salons and spas specializing in beauty technology also offer traditional spa services such as facials, massages, and body treatments. These establishments offer a wide range of services to help clients look and feel their best. When choosing a salon or spa specializing in beauty technology, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable establishment with experienced technicians. These technologies can be powerful, and in the wrong hands, they can cause harm to the skin. Look for salons and spas with a proven track record of success and positive customer reviews. Overall, beauty salons and spas specializing in beauty technology offer an exciting and innovative way to enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. Whether you're looking to eliminate unwanted hair, improve your skin's texture and tone, or simply relax and unwind, these establishments offer a wide range of